Hi everyone, Allison Redmond here. Welcome to the mini Keepsake film challenge. I am so excited to show you my Keepsake film. This film was made of my twins and it's about them taking a sink bath. It's such a super simple memory for me, but it's something that is one of my most favorite films that I've ever made, and I'm so excited for you to watch it. You're going to see it in just a few seconds here, but first I wanted to tell you just a few things about why I love this film. This was not a film that took a massive amount of planning or gear or setup. It was literally me sitting there during nap time one day and I was like, the twins love to take a sink bath. Why don't I just film it? And so literally I went to our laundry room and I pulled out about 35 towels. I put the towels on the floor and I grabbed my camera. And that was it. That's it. When the twins got up, I put them in the sink. They had a 45-minute little play session in the kitchen sink and all I did was film it. It was not a huge ordeal. And when I watch this now, and by the way, I wanted to show you this film in particular. I've made quite a few films since this one, but this one was made almost exactly a year ago to the day. And what I love about it is that I think we know that when we preserve these memories that they're going to be special later, but here I am sitting here a year later and I'm absolutely convinced that that was the best decision I made on that day. My twins, and I kid you not about this, come down for breakfast every morning and they ask to watch that video on the iPad. They're like, Mama, can we watch the sync video? Sync video. That's how they know it. They don't know that, that I had to set up, that I had to use my camera to film them, that I wanted to do it from memory. All they care about is they like watching their little voices. They love watching themselves splash each other. They like hearing the giggles. They have watched that video probably 365 times and it's still funny to them. And like, it just melts my heart when I see them watching it. That alone is worth every bit of wanting to make one of these things. So I could encourage you a year later, these films are so worth it. Think about 10 years, think about 15 years, think about your kids showing their kids. That's insane. That's why these things are so incredible. You don't have to be perfect and nothing has to be perfect about the setup to make a Keepsake film. Just do it. Just have your camera out, figure out which memory you want to document and make it happen. This is a one scene film and it's a 1 minute film. Very simple. I didn't have to go around to lots of different places and do that. It's just them taking a sink bath. And it's 1 minute long because I was only there for 45 minutes filming. So it's not like it needs to be this long film. 1 minute is a great amount of time to capture a memory. So without further ado, I hope you love watching this. My favorite parts are hearing them talk to each other and seeing their little toes, which aren't that little anymore, and watching them like splash water out the tub. It's just such a special film for me. And I hope that it inspires you to make something of your own, so that a year from now you can watch it and be so glad that you made one. So here's my mini Keepsake film, and thanks for watching. Did you like that? Oh, it's one of my favorite films. I just can't get over how cute they are. I hope that was inspiring to you. I hope that your brain is kind of thinking about memories in your life that you would want to document right now. This is meant to inspire you. So go and do it. Pick up your camera today. Find something that you want to preserve as a memory, that you want to watch a year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. You'll never, ever regret it, guys. I can't wait to see what you create, and thanks for watching.